ఇది సెకండ్ యూనిట్ రా.
ఓకే సార్. కండక్ట్ ఫ్లో.
కండక్ట్ ఫ్లో. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. స్పీకర్స్ కట్ చేయండి.
ఐ లవ్ యూ అని వస్తుంది సార్. ఏం సార్ ఇది?
రే
నాకంటే
స్పీకర్స్ కట్ చేయండి, రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, this is the fluid mechanics, second unit, contact flow. Okay, fluid statics, fluid kinematics, fluid dynamics. Okay, first unit is explained. First unit. Today I am going to the second unit, contact flow. Okay. First of all, we can explain the Reynolds experiment. What is Reynolds experiment? Types of Reynolds experiments. What is the use of Reynolds experiment? Okay, this is the equipment of Reynolds apparatus. Okay, in this figure, water is taken into the container. Okay, you can take in the small container. Container is filled with the water. Okay, this is the tank containing dye. Okay, dye is a small chamber. Okay, this is a constant head tank. Okay, okay, regulate value. Okay, this is regulating value used to the flow is controlled. Okay, the flow is fast and slow and medium. Okay, this is controlling by using of a regulator value. Next, in this figure, this is a glass tube. This glass tube is okay, this line having the way of the dye filament. Okay, this dye filament way, the water is flowing through the next. In this Reynolds experiment, we can calculate the three types of flows. Okay, first one laminar flow. Okay, second one turbulent flow. Okay, now next one transition flow. Okay, in this figure, laminar flow. Okay, laminar flow means the Reynolds number is less than 2000 is called a laminar flow. Okay, turbulent flow means the Reynolds number is greater than 4000. Okay, greater than 4000 means turbulent flow, less than 2000 means laminar flow. Okay, between 2000 to 4000 is called transition flow. Okay, transition flow means the Reynolds number is between 2000 to 4000 is called transition flow. Okay, the Reynolds number is between 2000 to 4000 is called transition flow. Okay, less than 2000 is called laminar flow, greater than is called turbulent flow. Okay, now next figure, a water. Okay, a constant head tank filled with water. A tank containing dye. Okay, a small tank containing dye. Weight of dye same as that of water. Weight of dye same as that of water. Okay, a horizontal glass tube provide with a well-mounted entrance and a regulative value. Next, this is the procedure followed. Okay, the water was made to a flow from the tank through the glass tube into the atmosphere. Okay, and the velocity of flow was varied by adjusting value. Okay, now the liquid dye was introduced into the flow, the bell mounted through the small ascending figure. Okay, show the figure. This is a figure. Okay, this is a constant head tank. Constant head tank. In this tank having a water. Okay, the water is flowing through the tank containing dye. Okay, tank containing dye. The water is flowing through the in this way. Okay, in this way, the water is flowing different types of waveforms. Okay, now this is the one type of waveform. Next, second one is the another type of waveform. Next, third one is the third type of waveform. Okay, in this figure, okay, this is the three forms. Okay, first one is a straight line. Okay, straight line. This is a difilament line. Okay, this is the difilament line. The water is flowing through a difilament line. This is called a laminar flow. ఓకే ద లైన్ ఈజ్ స్ట్రైట్ ఓకే అంటే వాటర్ అనేది ఒక స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఫామ్ లో కానీ ఫామ్ అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే లామినర్ ఫ్లో అంటాము. ఒక వేవ్ ఫామ్ లో గాన వాటర్ ఫ్లో అయితే దాన్ని ఏమంటేనా టర్బులెంట్ ఫ్లో అంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఒక డిఫ్యూజర్ ఫిలమెంట్. ఓకే దీన్ని ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఫ్లో అంటాం. అంటే త్రీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మ్స్. ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి లామినర్ టర్బులెంట్ ఫ్లో, ఇంకోటి వచ్చేసి ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఫ్లో. ఓకే లామినర్ ఫ్లో మీన్స్ ద రేనాల్డ్స్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దెన్ 2000 is called laminar flow. Okay, next the Reynolds number is greater than 4000 is called turbulent flow. Okay, the Reynolds number is between 2000 to 4000 is called transition flow. Okay, this is the experiment of Reynolds number. This is the experiment of Reynolds number. What is the experiment of Reynolds number means? Three types of flow are calculated. One laminar flow, next turbulent flow, next transition flow. Okay, what is meant by laminar flow? Laminar flow means the Reynolds number is less than 2000 means laminar flow. The turbulent flow means the Reynolds number is greater than 4000 equal to turbulent flow. Next, transition flow means the Reynolds number is 2000 to 4000 between, that is called a transition flow. The flow waveforms is three types. One is the difilament form. Difilament. Okay, the waveform is difilament. One, this is a straight line form. This is called a laminar flow. And the water is flowing through the straight line. That is called a laminar flow. Next, the water is flowing to the waveforms. Okay, filament waveforms. That is called a turbulent flow. Next, diffused filament. Okay, the waveform. And water is flowing to the way to the diffused filament. That is called a transition flow. Okay, this is in this experiment to calculate the three types of flows: laminar flow, turbulent flow, and transition flow. Next topic: loss of head due to friction in pipe. Loss of head due to friction in pipe flow. Darcy-Weisbach equation. Darcy-Weisbach equation. Okay, this is the one type of equation, very most important equation. Okay, in this chapter. Okay, compulsory external examinations questions. Loss of head due to friction in pipe flow are Darcy-Weisbach equation. F equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. This is the equation. The equation is 4FL V square by 2GD. HF equal to the head loss due to the friction equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. This is the equation, Darcy-Weisbach formula. Okay, most important formula in this chapter and most important derivation in this chapter. Okay, we can explain the derivation. Okay, na? In case of turbulent flow through pipes, it has been observed through experiments that the viscous friction effects associated with the fluids are proportional to the length of the tube L. Okay, na? The turbulent flow is proportional to the length of the pipe L. Okay, na? Next, the wetted perimeter. The wetted perimeter V and Vn, where V is the average velocity of the flow and N is the index varying form. Okay, 1.5 to 2 depending upon the material and nature of the pipe surface. The commercial pipes are 2. Okay, na, as shown in figure. Okay, this is the figure. This is the one type of figure. Okay, this is a one type of pipe flow. Okay, now this is the section 1, this is the section 2. We can divide the section 1 and section 2. Okay, P1 is the pressure force. We can apply to the pressure force on a inside of the tube. Okay, opposite to pressure force is acting on the inertia force on the fluid flows. Okay, now this is the pipe. Okay, diameter, pipe diameter D, and the water is going to the one side. Okay, the water is entering into the inside. Okay, leaving into the inside. Okay, some forces are applied to the pipe. Okay, the pipe are against the forces are acting on the flow of the liquid. Okay, P1 is the intensity of pressure at section 1. Okay, P1 is the intensity of pressure at section 1. Next, P2 is the intensity of pressure at section 2. This is the section 2. The pressure intensity of pressure at section 2. Okay, L is the length of the pipe between section 2 section 2. This is the length of the pipe. Okay, the pipe is dividing into two sections. Okay, na? The between two sections the length is called L. Okay, D is the diameter of the non-dimensional factor whose value depends upon the material of the pipe. Okay, the non-dimensional factor whose value depends on the material and nature of the pipe surface. Okay, HF is the loss of head due to friction. This is the terms of the equation HF equal to 4FL V square by 2GD equation. Okay, next. First of all, the force on the following fluid between the two sections. The force P1 minus P2 into A. P1 is the section 1 force, P2 is the section 2 force. Okay, P1 minus P2 into A. A is the area of the cross section of the pipe. Next, the frictional resistance force FPL V square. F square. Okay, 2 not V square. Okay, here P is the vector perimeter, V is the average flow. Okay, equal to frictional resistance force. Propelling force means P1 minus P2 into A. Okay, now the frictional force means F dash PL V square. This is the frictional resistance force. Okay, dividing both sides, weight density W. Weight density W. Into A equal to F dash by W PL V square. This is the W equal to weight density. Okay, now weight density is dividing both sides. Okay, in this equation, HF equal to F dash by W. Okay, P by A L V square. Okay, na? Next, HF equal to HF at 2G by 2G F dash by W into L by M into V square by 2G. Okay, na? The ratio A by P is called hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius. Okay, na? A by P means hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius. Okay, na? Next, therefore, the equation HF equal to F into L by M into V square by 2G. Okay. V square by 2G. Okay. The hydraulic mean depth. Okay. M equal to A by P. That equal to A means area. Area means pi by 4 into D square. Next, perimeter means pi D. Okay. Now that equal to D by 4. Okay. Now HF equal to F into L by D by 4 into V square by 2G. That equal to 4F L V square by 2GD. This equation is called Darcy-Weisbach equation. Okay, na? Next, this is the Darcy-Weisbach formula. We can derive the derivation above. Okay, na? This formula is asked to the small answer to the examinations. Okay, dash the match formula means HF equal to 4FLV square by 2GD. In this equation, HF equal to loss of friction, F equal to coefficient of friction. Okay, now H equal to 0.0791 by RE power 4. Okay, RE from 4 number. Okay, now 16 by RT. Okay, that equal to laminar flow, or L equal to length of the pipe B. Length of the pipe B equal to mean velocity of flow, D equal to diameter of pipe. Next, this is the series formula. Series formula for loss of head due to friction. Okay, this series formula not mentioned in your syllabus. Okay, మీ syllabus లో లేదమ్మా. కాకపోతే ఈక్వేషన్ అనే దాన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, series formula. Okay, series formula means mean velocity V equal to C into root of mi. This equation is known as series formula. V equal to C into root of mi. This equation is known as series formula. Okay, next, pipes in series are compound pipes. Okay, this is the very most compound pipes mean different pipes are connected in series. Okay, different pipes means different velocities, different length, different diameters having. Okay, now, okay, as shown in figure, D1, D2, D3 are diameters of the pipe 1, pipe respectively. Okay, L1, L2, L length of the pipes 1, 2, 3 respectively. Next, V1, V2, V3 velocity of the velocities of the pipes 1, 2, 3 respectively, and also F1 and F2, F3 means coefficient of frictions pipes 1 and 2 and 3 respectively. Okay, H means difference of water level in the two tanks. Okay, H means difference of water levels in the two tanks. Okay, now next. Okay, the rate of flow. The rate of flow means meter cube per second. Okay, the rate of flow means meter cube per second. Q is the rate of flow. Okay, discharge. Q equal to AV. Okay, this is the continuity equation in our first chapter. Okay, Q equal to AV. A1 V1 equal to A2 V2 equal to A3 V3 is the continuity equation. Q means A1 V1. Okay, A1 V1 is the section 1, A2 V2 is the section 2, A3 V3 is the section 3, or pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3. Okay, now next, the difference in liquid surface levels. The difference in liquid surface levels. Okay, that equal to sum of the various head loss in the pipe. Various pipes. Okay, now next, equal to HI, H1, HC, HF2, HE, HFE, F3 plus E3 keep by 2G. Okay, now in this equation, HI equal to head loss at entrance. Okay, head loss at entrance 0.2 V1 square by 2G. Next, HE of head loss due to friction. Pipe 1, 4 F L V square by 2GD. Next, HC means contraction, head loss at a contraction 0.5 V2 square by 2G. Okay, next, HF2 means head loss due to friction in pipe 4 F L V2 square by 2G. Okay, now this is the HF1, HF2, HF3 means head loss due to friction 4 FL V square by 2GD. Okay, now F1, L1, V1, D1 R means pipe 1. Okay, F2, L2, V2, D2 means pipe 2. Next, F3, L3, E3, D3 means pipe 3. Okay, now next, HE means head loss due to enlargement. Okay, head loss due to enlargement. v2 minus v3 whole square by 2g. Okay, now that means v square by 2g. Okay, kinetic energy form is v square by 2g in this enlargement. Okay, larger pipe minus smaller pipe. Okay, now v2 minus v3 divided by 2g. Okay, now next. Okay, now in this equation substituting hi, hf, h by f1, hc, hf2 and he, hf3 plus v3 square by h equal to 4 f1 l1 v1 square by d1 2g 4 f2 l2 v2 square by d2 2g f3 l3 v3 square by d3 2g. Okay, this is the final equation. Next, f1 equal to f2 equal to f3 equal to, okay na, in this equation f replacement f1 replacement f2 replacement f3 replacement substituting. Next, common terms. We can common terms taken the outside of the equation. Okay, 4f by 2g L1 v1 square by d1 plus L2 v2 square by d2 plus L3 v3 square by d3. Okay, next, this is the compound equation. Okay, compound equation. Okay, 4fl 4f by 2g by 2 plus 3 v3 square by d3. Okay, na? This is the same at last to reproduction equation 4f l v square by 2g d. But in this equation varying terms l1 v1 d1. Okay, na? We can solve the problem by using of one pipe, two pipes, three pipes, and more than three pipes, more than four pipes by using of varying terms L1 V1 D1 L1 V1 D1 సరేనండి. ఇది హెచ్ఎఫ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4f l v స్క్వేర్ బై 2gd ఈక్వేషన్. ఇదే ఈక్వేషన్ లో మీకు పైప్ 1 పైప్ 2 పైప్ 3 పైప్ 4 పైప్ 5 అంటే డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పైప్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాంట్లో వేరియింగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి L1 V1 D1 ఆర్ వేరియింగ్ టర్మ్స్. ఓకేనా, ఈ వేరియింగ్ టర్మ్స్ వరకే చేంజ్ అవుతూ ఎన్ని పైపులు ఇచ్చినా అంటే సిరీస్ కనెక్షన్ లో ఎన్ని పైప్స్ ఇచ్చినా 2 ఇచ్చినా 3 ఇచ్చినా మోర్ దెన్ 3 ఇచ్చినా గానీ ఇదే సేమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని అంటారు. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకేనా, దిస్ ఇస్ ద స్మాల్ 3 pipes ఆఫ్ డయామీటర్స్ 300 mm 200 mm 400 mm అంటే 3 pipes ఇచ్చాడు. 1 pipe డయామీటర్ 300, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 200, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 400. ఓకే, అండ్ లెంత్ length 450, 255, 315 meters respectively are compound series. The difference in water surface levels in two tanks 18 meters to determine the rate of flow of water. The coefficient of friction 0.0075, 0.0078, 0.0072 respectively. Okay, in this you can calculate the minor losses also and neglecting minor losses. Okay, minor losses and neglecting minor losses. Okay, na, most important problem. Okay, na, basic model problem. Okay, in this problem having a 3 pipes. Okay, pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3, having 3 pipes. Pipe 1 length, pipe 1 diameter, pipe 1 coefficient of friction. Next, pipe 2 length, pipe 2 diameter, pipe 2 coefficient. Next, pipe 3 length, pipe 3 diameter, pipe 3. Okay, the difference of water level is equal to how much? 18 meters. Okay, the difference of water level. Okay, the difference of water level is equal to how much? 18 meters. The difference of water level means 18 meters. Okay, na, next. Okay, considering minor losses. First one in the considering minor losses. Next one in the neglecting minor losses. Okay, first two. Let V1, V2, V3 is the velocities. First, second, third pipes. Okay, V1, V2, V3, and velocities. V1, V2, V3 are the velocities in first pipe, second pipe, third pipe. Okay, from continuity equation means A1, V1 equal to A2, V2 equal to A3, V3 is the continuity equation. In this problem having a three pipes, and also to written the continuity equation three terms. A1, V1 equal to A2, V2 equal to A3, V3. Okay, in this equation V2 equal to A1 V1 by A2. Okay, na A1 V1 by A2. A1 means pi by 4 into D1 square. Next A2 means pi by 4 into D2 square. A1 means pi by 4 into D1 square. A2 means pi by 4 into D2 square into V1. Okay, V1 is the unknown term. Okay, D1 no D2 is the known terms. Okay, already given in the problem. Okay, this D1 D2 terms are substituted in the V2 equation 0.3 by 0.2 whole square into V1 that equal to 2.225 V1. Okay, and in this V2 V1 term, V2 value is V1 term. Next V3 value is V1 term. Okay, na V3 value is V1 term. And you can calculate the H value. We can calculate the H value. Okay, na H value. In this H value, V1 value is substituted in this equation. So 0.25 V1 means V2 value. Next 0.5625 V1 means V3 value. Okay, V1 means V1. Okay, na we know that H value. Okay, 0.5 V1 square by 2G plus 4FL V square by D1 2G plus 0.5 V2 square by 2G plus 4F2 L2 V square by 2G. Next V2 minus V3 whole square by 2G. In this equation already calculated the above derivation. Okay, na this is the contraction pipe. Okay, na this is the head loss due to friction pipe. This is the kinetic energy pipe. Okay, energy pipe 0.5 V1 square by 2G. 0.5 means root of V square by 2G. Okay, na in this equation we can substitute all terms. Okay, na H equal to 18. Okay, 0.5 V1 square by 2G plus 4 into F4, coefficient of friction into next L, length into V1. Okay, V1 means V1, V2 means 2.25 V1. No? Next V3 means 0.565 V1. Okay, V1 replace with V1. No? V2 replace with 2.25 V1. No? V3 replace with 0.5625 V1. Okay, in this terms are substituted in this equation. We can calculate the V1 value. Okay, now we can calculate the V1 value 1.166 meter per second. Meter per second. Velocity is meter per second. Units are most important. Okay. Velocity you can calculate the V1 value. Next we can calculate the V2 value and also V3 value by using of a V1 value. Okay, na? Next, the rate of flow means Q equal to A1 V1. A1 means pi by 4 into D1 square into V1. Okay, na? This is the rate of flow. Okay, rate of flow 0.085 meter cube per second. Okay, meter cube per second. Okay, na? Discharge units meter cube per second. Velocity units meter per second. This is the rate of flow. We can calculate the rate of flow. Next, neglecting minor losses. Minor losses means 0.5 into V1 square by 2G, 0.5 into V2 square by 2G, plus V2 minus V3 whole square by 2G is the neglecting losses. Okay, minor losses. Okay, na? In this equation, H equal to 4F L1 V square by 2GD, 4F2 L2 V2 square by 2GD, plus 4F3 L3 V3 square by 2GD. Next, minor losses equation. This equation is called a gas switch equation. Okay, in this equation are substituted in all values. Okay, common term V1 square by 2G. Next, all values are substituted in this equation. We can calculate the V1 value. Okay, next we can calculate the discharge value. Okay, na? First of all, we can calculate the discharge value by using of a minor losses. Okay, first of all, we can calculate the discharge value by using of a minor losses. Next, we can calculate the neglecting minor losses to discharge value. Okay na? In this problem, this is the problem. Okay na? In this problem having a three pipes. Okay, in this problem having a three pipes diameters, length and coefficient of frictions are in this problem. Next, by using of continuity equation to calculate the velocities, by using of continuity equation to calculate the velocity values, the velocity values are substituted in the coefficient of h value, h equation. Okay, h equal to 0.5 v1 square by 2g plus 4f1 l1 v square by 2gd. Next 0.5 v2 square by 2gd 2g plus 4f2 l2 v2 square by 2gd plus v2 minus v3 whole square by 2g plus 4f l2 l3 v3 square by 2gd plus v3 square by 2g. Okay, now this is the considering minor losses, head loss due to friction pipe. Okay, na? Next, not considering minor losses, that equation is okay. Na? In this, both equations are to calculate the discharge values. Next, equivalent pipe. Okay, this is a small topic. Equivalent pipe. Equivalent pipe means L1, L2, L3 is the length of the pipe. So D1, D2, D3 is the diameter of the pipe. Head is the total head. L is the length of the equivalent pipe. D is the diameter of the equivalent pipe. Okay, na? Next, the neglecting process. Okay, already calculated in this formula by using of a problem before problem, which equal to 4f1 l1 v square by 2gd, 4f2 l2 v square by 2gd plus 4f3 l3 v square by 2gd. This is the neglecting minor losses equation. Okay, na? Continuity equation is a1 v1 equal to a2 v3. This is already shown in your before PDF. Next, in these equations, L by d power 5 equal to L1 by d1 power and d1 power 5, L2 by d2 power 5 plus L3 by d3 power 5. Okay, plus and so on. This equation is known as repeat equation. Okay, na? It is the equivalent pipe. Compound pipes means to connect a number of pipes in series connections, parallel connections by using of a different diameters and different length. Okay, na? Okay, na? This is a small problem in equivalent length problem. Okay, the pipe system consists of three pipes arranged in a series. The length of the pipes are 200 meters to 750 meters on so and diameter mm respectively. Okay, first transform the system to equivalent for 50 diameter pipe. Next, determine the equivalent diameter to 550 meter long. Okay, now pipe 1 L1 means 200 meters, D1 means 50 mm. Okay, that will be 0.75 meters. Okay, now this is the given values. Okay, now pipe 1, pipe 2, pipe 3. Next, equivalent length. Okay, equivalent length means okay, now, by using of a formula d power 5 L by d power 5. Next, L1 by d1 power plus L2 by d2 power 5 plus L3 by power 5. Okay, these values are substituted in the equation to calculate the Next, equivalent n problem. Next, L by d power 5 L1 by d1 power 5 plus L2 by d2 power 5 next by d3 power 5. In this E2, calculate the d value. Okay, na? These values are value, L3 value, value, D value, next D3 value, L value. Okay, therefore 0.5578 meters. Hello, Venkatesh.
అవును సార్.
సార్ సార్ ఇది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అలాగే వీడియో అది పోస్ట్ చేయండి సార్, దాంట్లో చూసి అంతా నోట్స్ రాసుకుంటాం. సార్ చెప్పండి సార్.